Hebei Xingchen Glass Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, is an experienced innovator in the design, manufacture, and supply of high borosilicate glassware. Our products include double-wall glass cup, glass coffee maker, pour-over coffee maker, siphon coffee maker, glass jar, glass straw, glass teapot, glass water carafe, etc. All products are made of environmentally friendly high borosilicate glass by hand blowing purely without BPA, lead, or mercury. It can withstand instantaneous temperature difference from -20 degrees to 150 degrees without changing its shape or cracking. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, we keep improving the quality control system. In addition, we attach great importance to the development of new products. With professional product designer and purchase department, we developed many different products with competitive price. Our company has introduced a series of advanced handmade technology with 5,063 square meters factory build-up area, 50 technical workers, 10 production lines, and 10,000 different types of molds. Our products have been exported to many countries, mainly in Europe, North America, East Asia, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. The products have passed FDA, LGFB, and Prop 65 food grade inspections. The factory audited by BSCI. Our company provides OEM and ODM services. Wish more users to choose the products of Hebei Xingchen Glass.